guys, I'm going to do Latin timeline and geography from week 23 today, and I'm going to try to get through it as quickly as possible because my phone will only take a video of a certain length. So we'll start off with Latin. First conjugation endings, future perfect tense. Ero, eris, erit, erimis, eritis, erunt. I like to remember this by remembering that in the future we have a perfect hero. So then you can say ero, eris, erit, erimis, eritis, erunt. I can't play the songs and record video at the same time because I'm just not set up to do that. So if you would like to pause the video and listen to the songs, it's a good way to remember Latin also. All right, timeline. I mentioned in class a lot that hand motions are a really good way to remember the timeline song, but since there are so many different hand motions that people use, I don't use those in class while tutoring. But if you want to go to CC Connected and find hand motions to do along with the song, you can go ahead and do that. All right, timeline. Age of information and globalization. Watergate. President Nixon resigns. Fall of communism in Eastern Europe. European Union formed. Apartheid abolished in South Africa. September 11th, 2001. Rising tide of freedom. Why don't you try to say it with me? Age of information and globalization. Watergate. President Nixon resigned. Fall of communism in Eastern Europe. European Union formed. Apartheid abolished in South Africa. September 11th, 2001. Rising tide of freedom. You can also pause the video and listen to the whole song if you want to practice. You can also, if you have the timeline cards at home, you can mix them up and try to put them in order without looking at the numbers. All right, geography. Because these look like crazy names, I'll tell you how to pronounce them. Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Tajikistan, and Kyrgyzstan. All right, I'm going to need you to zoom in on the map or just walk over. All right, can you see it? Mm-hmm. All right, Kazakhstan is the big one, right underneath Russia. Kyrgyzstan is right under Kazakhstan, and I remember that because it also starts with a K, like Kazakhstan. Tajikistan is underneath Kyrgyzstan, and I remember that because Tajikistan is shaped kind of like a bunny. And then on the other side we have Uzbekistan and Turkmenistan. So we have Kazakhstan, Tajikistan. I screwed that up. All right, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, and Turkmenistan. All right, on the black line master. I don't know if I can turn this upside down. Can you still see the map? Well, now it's going to be upside down in the video. All right, Kazakhstan is here. Kyrgyzstan is right underneath Kazakhstan. Tajikistan is shaped like a bunny and right underneath Kyrgyzstan. And then we have Uzbekistan and Turkmenistan. And that's geography. You can turn it off now.